In this video, I'm going to show you how to add layers in Adobe Express. When you're editing a design in Adobe Express, you can easily manage and adjust layers through the right side of your screen. All existing layers in your design will be listed there. To change the position of any layer, select it from your design or directly from the Right Layers panel. You can then drag it up or down through the other layers to adjust its position, which will move it in front of or behind other layers in your project. To add a new layer, you need to insert different elements or graphics into your design. To do this, click on the Add button located on the left side of your screen. From the available options, select Elements. You can now browse through the Elements library and select the element you want to add to your design. Once you select an element, it will automatically appear as a new layer on the right side of your screen in the Layers panel. After adding the element, you can adjust its position by dragging it through the Layers panel. This allows you to organize the elements according to how you want them to appear in your design. And that's how you can add layers in Adobe Express.